Let's talk about the Canon EOS 90D. Now the Canon EOS 90D is a 34 megapixel camera from Canon. It has an APS-C sensor, which means that if whatever lens you attach to the camera body will result in a 1.6x crop factor. What that means is if you've attached a 10mm lens, it gives you the field of view of a 16mm lens, multiply by 1.6. The autofocusing system on the Canon EOS 90D is also something worth talking about. It has 45 cross-type focusing points, which means you can track focus in both horizontal and vertical directions. And if you switch to live view, you get dual pixel AF, one of Canon's best known features that allows you to basically move focus across the frame at the touch of a finger. Besides that, you also get 4K video recording at 30 FPS, 1080p video recording at up to 120 FPS, all without having to resort to a sensor crop. In terms of the ISO range, you have the standard ISO 100 to 25,600, which is the normal ISO range, and then can be boosted up to 512,000. However, there are a few things about the Canon EOS 90D that make it stand out from its previous generation cameras. For starters, the EOS 90D uses a LPEN6 battery, which is the same battery that's used on the 6D and the 5D cameras. So that means your batteries are interchangeable, and that's always amazing. Lastly, it's also weather sealed, which means that the body will be able to withstand light splashes, maybe a light rain, and can actually be a good companion in all weather shooting conditions. Overall, the 90D packs a lot of amazing features and is a good camera for anybody who is starting to experiment with photography at a serious level, not just professionally but even as a hobby. If you enjoy taking great photos, the 90D could be a great option for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Presenting Canon EOS 90D Digital SLR Camera. The camera is equipped with an approximately 220,000 pixel new AE sensor and EOS ITR AF. It has high image quality with 32.5 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and high-speed continuous shooting of up to 10 FPS. The 45-point all-cross-type AF system supports up to 27 points. Inside the box, you will find the camera, battery charger, and AC cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.